Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn assignments problem by Hungarian method. Assignment problem is the number of jobs are assigned to the number of machines. For example, the assignment problem is a particular case of transportation problem in which the objective is to assign the number of tasks to an equal number of facilities, means machines or any other things. Okay, and this should be m into n. Okay, m is machine, n is number of jobs, means like m into n is minus 1. M okay, all right, let's see. Number of rows, sorry, m is equal to n, number of rows, number of machines and number of jobs. Okay, here in this row we are, okay, here's the question. Let's see the question. How to solve the assignment problem. The XYZ company has 5 jobs A, B, C, D, E to be done and 5 men L, M, N, O, P to do these jobs. Find initial optimal solution. Okay, this is the A, B, C, D are the jobs, and this is the L, M, N, O, P's are the number of workers, men. Let's start. What is the procedure to start? First is a step 1. First, what we have to do first, we have to do row subtraction. Okay, first we have to do row subtraction in order to solve the question. Row subtraction. Okay, the row subtraction will be happen by taking the minimum value from row. What is the minimum value here? In the first row, minimum value is a 4. Okay, so here 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 5, 1. Should not be minus 1. Okay, should be 1 only. 4 minus 9, okay, 9 minus 4 we can also do. 6 minus 4, 2. 11 minus 4, 7. Then what is the next minimum value in M? 6 only. So here's 6. 8 minus 6, 2. 13 minus 6, 7. 6 minus 6, 0. 11 minus 6, 5. From N, minimum is a 9. 11 minus 9, 2. 16 minus 9, 7. Next, 21 minus 9, 11. 16 minus 9, 9 minus 9, 0. 16 minus 9, 7. From O, the minimum value is 11. The minimum value is 11. 16 minus 11, 5. 19 minus 11, 8. 21 minus 11, 10. 11, 11, 0. No, 11 minus 11, 0. 20 minus 11, 9. Next, 9 is the minimum value. 0 0. 13 minus 9 4. 7 minus 9, sorry, 7 is the minimum value here. Okay, so this is 2. 7 is the minimum value to 2 2, and here 7 7 6, here 0, here 4. This is the row subtraction. Now let's see, every row has 0 0. Now let's see every column. Here column, 2 columns, 3 column doesn't have. So now column subtraction. Okay, now do column subtraction. How we can do the column subtraction? Minimum value, these are the same. 0 0, the column is a minimum value is a 0, means anything deduct from anything, deduct any 0 from anything is same value. Minimum value is 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 7 minus 1 6, 8 minus 1 7, 2 minus 1 1. Here minimum value is 5. 0 2, 11 minus 5 6, 10 minus 5 5, 6 minus 5 1. Now minimum 0 means same value. Minimum 4. 7 minus 4 3, 5 minus 4 1, 7 minus 4 3, 9 minus 4 5. This one is 0. So now row and column subtraction has completed. So now is the assigning part. Okay, what is the assigning part? First we have to assign single zeros. What we have to see? Single zeros. Okay, if there are any single zeros, assign. Okay, now is the assignment part. Make assignment by examining each row and one by one for single zeros, not for two. If there is two, leave it. If there is ones, then assign by putting square around it. Cross out 0 if any other if any in the row, and column if the cell is assigned. Okay, cross out the zeros if any in the row and column of the cell assigned. Repeat till the rows and columns completed. Then proceed to column. Repeat the same procedure. Okay, so let's do. The row has 3 zeros, so should not leave this row. Now the second has 2 zeros, so leave this row also, because we want only single zero from whole row. So the third row has single zero, so these all zeros from column, and this row doesn't have any extra zeros, so should be cut. Next, this is O, not a 0. Okay, here we don't have any zeros, here we have single zero. Okay, this is the row which we have did. Now go for, the row is complete, now go for single zero in from column. This column has 2 zeros, so leave it. Okay, this column has single zero, so we are checking column, so this row 0 will be cross out. Now This column has single zero, no zeros, no. This column had doesn't don't zero. Okay, it also has the zeros over here also, no single zero. So column is over. Now go for again row. The row has no zero, here single zero. Okay, so any other zeros for cut it off? No, there is no any other zero. So what you have to do, draw the number of line to cover the zero, maximum zero. Draw the lines to cover maximum zero, okay, and minimum lines. Okay, let's see where is the maximum zeros. Here is the maximum zeros, 4 zeros are covering. Here is a 3 zeros are covering, and these single zeros. Okay, so we can put this the line like this, otherwise like this also. Okay, so you can also take like this also, or the same thing, anything we can do. This 0, this 0. How many matrix are 5? 1 2 3 4 5. Lines are 1 2 3 4 lines. Okay, matrix are 5 but lines are 4. M plus n minus 1, like this also. These are not satisfied. M is 5 plus 4 minus 1, 8. So it's not equal, so we have to draw another table. And what we have to do, we have to see first which is the minimum value. 2. This value should be deduct from other remaining values, and this value should be at the interaction points, means here, in this row here, in this row here, and here. 2 lines which are interactions. The interaction we have to add. Okay, let's draw another table. This 0, it has a single line, so we should not modify this one. Take as it is. 0 0 0 0 0 0. The minimum value is 2. Okay, so it is a interaction points. Already 2 is there, so add it, make it 4. Okay, and here 3. So 3 is the same 3 because single line. If there is line, we should not change the number. If there is double interaction, we have to add. If there is no single line interaction also, we have to deduct. Second line, the same 0 1, because it's passing the line. Here is the interaction point and the minimum value is 2, so add 2. Here 1, same. Here it's we don't have any line here, so deduct 2 0, 6 minus 2 4, 6 minus 2 4. Here 0 is the same. Here 3 minus 2 1, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 2 5, 5 minus 2 3 0, 5 minus 2 3. Here 2 1 1. It's a interaction, so add 2. Here 0. If there is passing single line, we should not change the number. If there is double, if there is interaction, so we have to add the minimum value. If there is no single line, so we have to deduct the minimum value on those numbers. Now the new cost table. This is the new cost table. Okay, now let's check once more. The row has I'm removing this paper. Okay. The row has 3 zeros, so we should not is not possible to take the 0. This row has single zeros, so take single 0 this row and cut it column zeros, and row zeros we don't have. And again go for next one. Here is single 0 and cut it column 0 and row 0. There's no row 0. Then go for another line. There's no 0. Then go for another line. Here is the 0, so there is no 0 to cut off. Now go for column wise. In this column there is no 0 left. In this column there is a 0 left, and but row 0 should be cut it, row and column 0. So it already cut it. Any other zeros left here? No. Any other zeros left here? No. Okay, so now okay, so now check it out. Cover the maximum zeros. Where is the maximum zeros? Here, here. So 3 here also, so no problem, take row wise. Okay, and these 2 0 will be covered. This one single 0 also covered. This one single 0 also covered. Okay, you can take like this also, but this 0 is not covering. This 0 is not covering. It should also cover. All 0 cover. So we have to change the lines. First, how we can change? Okay, this is the covered one. I'm changing this one. And better these two. Better to draw like this. This one. This is the cancellation. Like this one, better to draw like this one. This one. And this one. So this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth. Still we didn't get it. This one is I have removed. Still we didn't get the 5 lines. So we have to draw another table. Okay, here I have already drawn. Let's okay, I have already draw the next table. D E L M N O P. Look, the minimum value is 1. Add at interaction point here. The minimum value is 1. Add interaction point here. 0, the minimum, add this one. So adding 1 is 1. Okay, now this 0 should be remain same, this 0 remain same. This is a 4, so now we are adding 1 means 5, because it is interaction point. Here also interaction point. 3, now it became 4, adding the value. Okay, minimum value 1. Here it's not an interaction point, so 0. 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1. It's an interaction point, add 3. It's not sorry, it is not interaction point, sorry. So there is 2 only. Okay, and here it's 1, so I'm adding this one. Where's the question? Okay, let's see. I have draw a long one, so I have to check the question. Oh yeah, there was 1. Okay, so 1 means there is no, okay, it's a line, you know, sorry, it's a line you are passing. So 1, it's not a 0, it's 1 only, line are passing from there. Okay, now go for this one. It's a interaction point at 1. There's 4 same remain because passing the line. Here is the interaction point, add 1. Here is also interaction point. So okay, this one interaction, so add 1 is 2. Now here 3 is the same, 5 minus 1 4, 3 minus 1 2, zeros remain same, and here 3 remains same because passing line. Here is a line, so same 2, here 0 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0, passing the line, so remain same. This is the remain same 0. Now let's assign. Start single 0. Is there any single 0 row? No. Is there any single 0 row? No. Is there any single 0? No. Is there any single 0? Yes. This is a row, this is a column. No. Is there any single 0? No. Now go for column wise. First column has single 0, so these 0 will delete it. Okay. Second column has double 0, third column double 0, fourth column has a single 0. So take these 0, delete these 0. Okay. Now this is a column wise is over. Now row wise there is 2 0. Any other 0? Any other? So row wise is again over. Now again go for column wise. So this 0 is over. Any other 0 column wise? No. The 0 has assigned. Now take cover maximum zeros. There is a 3 zeros, 2 0 2 0 1 0. This is a 2 zeros, this is a 2 zeros, this is 1 0 I am covering. Okay, 1 2 3 4, again 4 lines. Okay, this one also we can make, otherwise this one also for purpose of interaction point. Okay, otherwise you can also do the same thing, no problem, because what is the now minimum value? 1. Mini value is 1. Okay, again we have to prepare one more table. Till the 5 lines we get, we have to prepare the table again and again. Okay, the table has prepared. Now let's see. There is 1, it's a line passing, so don't change it. 1 0 0 5 4. Here also line passing, 0 0 1 2 1. Here 1 minus 1, minimum value is the 1, you know, so 1 minus 1 0. 4 minus 1 3, 4 minus 1 3, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 4 2 0 3. This is a line passing, so take as it is. Line passing, so take as it is. Now again assign. Single 0 is there, single 0 single 0. This is a single 0, this line, so this one will be deleted. Here is there any single 0? No. Now go for column wise. Single 0 no, single 0 no, single 0 no, single 0 no. Here is a single 0, so this 0 will be affected, it will be crossed. This is a column wise over. Now go for single 0 row wise. Again there is a single 0 row wise, so this will be cancelled. Then again row, no. Now go for column wise. Single 0, here is a single 0, no. Here is a single zero, yes. So mark this one. We don't have any here. So column wise again till the end. Then again row wise, because column is away, again row wise here. How much we have got? 5 round, means definitely we will get 5 lines. Try to cover more zeros with minimum lines. This is 1. This is 2, 3. This is the 4. This is 5, because every line has a 0. If you take this one also, means here 1 line, this is 2 line, this is 3 line, this is 4, this is 5. We cannot, we have to take 5 line compulsory. That's why the problem is solved. We have got m is equal to m, number of jobs, number of workers, m5 and 5. Now where it's okay, what is the C, LC and MB and NA OD P0 PE we are getting. So take the answer. Where is the original table? Here is the original table. So from there we have to take the answers. So we are getting L in C. What is L in C? Is 9. 9 is the cost plus. Second, we are getting M in B. So where is M? Here. M in B is 8. So 9 plus 8 plus. Third one, NA. NA is 11. So add this 11 plus. Fourth one, O in D. O in D is 11. And again 11 plus. P in E. P in is 11. Add again 11 on 9, 20, 28, 39, 40, 50. What is the answer? 50 is the answer. The minimum cost of job is 50 rupees. Minimum cost. Job. The minimum cost of the job is 50 rupees. After assigning the job, so we got the 50 rupees for the minimum cost. Okay, this is the way assignment problem will be solved.